Picture this. You're standing at the edge of a vast ocean, the waves of opportunity crashing against the shores of your imagination. In the distance, a beacon of light beckons, a promise of wealth, success, and fulfillment. But to reach it, you must navigate the turbulent waters of uncertainty and doubt. Fear not, for we hold the map to this treasure trove of abundance. Join me as we set sail on a voyage of discovery into the depths of the science of getting rich. Before we embark on our adventure, let me share a tale as old as time. A story of dreams deferred and fortunes lost. For centuries, humanity has grappled with the enigma of wealth, seeking answers in the darkest corners of the earth and the deepest recesses of the mind. Yet, amidst the chaos and confusion, one beacon of hope emerged, a tome of wisdom that promised to unlock the secrets of prosperity. This, dear friends, is the story of the science of getting rich. Now, let us unravel the mysteries that lie within the pages of this timeless manuscript. At its core, the science of getting rich is a roadmap to the land of plenty, a guidebook for those brave enough to chart their own course to abundance. But beware, for the journey ahead is not for the faint of heart. It requires courage, determination, and a willingness to challenge the status quo. Step 1. Have a definite vision. It all begins with clarity of purpose. Wattles emphasizes the importance of envisioning your desired outcome with precision and detail. By crafting a clear vision of your goals, you set the stage for their manifestation in the physical realm. Step 2. Be creative, not just competitive. In a world obsessed with competition, Wattles advocates for a different approach: creativity. Instead of replicating what others have done, dare to innovate and blaze your own trail. By tapping into your unique talents and ideas, you unlock the power of true abundance. Step 3. Exercise your imagination with frequency. Your imagination is the gateway to infinite possibilities. Wattles encourages us to cultivate a practice of imaginative visualization, wherein we vividly picture ourselves living the life of our dreams. As we immerse ourselves in this mental realm, we align our consciousness with the forces of creation. Step 4. Maintain gratitude. Gratitude is the antidote to scarcity mentality. By cultivating an attitude of thankfulness for what we already have, we open ourselves to receive even more blessings. Wattles reminds us that abundance is not a distant goal but a present reality awaiting our acknowledgement. Step 5. Have 100% belief. Doubt is the enemy of progress. Wattles urges us to cultivate unwavering faith in our ability to achieve our goals. By embodying a mindset of absolute belief, we activate the creative forces of the universe and pave the way for miracles to unfold. Step 6. Make every day a success. Success is not a destination but a journey. Wattles emphasizes the importance of taking consistent action toward our goals each day. By aligning our thoughts, words, and deeds with our vision, we set in motion a powerful momentum that propels us toward our desired outcomes. Step 7. Get into a business that's right for you. Entrepreneurship is a vehicle for self-expression and contribution. Wattles encourages us to identify our unique talents and passions and channel them into entrepreneurial endeavors. By aligning our work with our true purpose, we not only create wealth but also experience fulfillment and joy. Step 8. Do more than fill your present place. Mediocrity is the enemy of greatness. Wattles challenges us to transcend our current circumstances and strive for excellence in everything we do. By continually expanding our skills and capacities, we outgrow our limitations and step into greater levels of success. Step 9. Make money now. Abundance is a byproduct of value creation. Wattles teaches us that the surest path to wealth is through service to others. By providing exceptional value to our customers and clients, we establish ourselves as indispensable contributors to society. Step 10. Give people the impression of increase. Generosity is the hallmark of true wealth. Wattles encourages us to leave a lasting impression on everyone we meet by enriching their lives in meaningful ways. By embodying the spirit of abundance, we attract prosperity into our lives and create a ripple effect of blessings for all. In essence, the science of getting rich is a timeless blueprint for unlocking the abundance that resides within each of us. But remember, dear viewer, knowledge alone is not enough. It's the application of these principles in our daily lives that leads to transformation. So, as you embark on your own journey to wealth and abundance, may you embody the wisdom of Wattles' teachings and manifest your deepest desires with ease. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Subscribe for more transformative insights. Like this video if you're ready to unlock abundance. Share it with your friends and spread the wealth. Until next time, stay inspired and keep thriving.